So as a crypto trader, do you know you can actually earn money without even trading? You are shocked, right? So in this video, we are going to be revealing to you how crypto lending works on gate.io. So on the gate.io interface, so what you need to do is to click Gate Finance. So once you click on Gate Finance, it should open up this new interface for you. So Gate Finance offers a whole lot of options like liquidity mining, HODL and earn, dual currency products, margin lending, periodic investment plan, quant trading, crypto loan. So we are going to be making videos on each of these to explain better what they do. So what you need to do is to click on margin lending. Okay, so clicking on margin lending, it should open up this for us. So with margin lending, you can also actually lend out your cryptocurrency and earn interest on them. So from here, you can see that the cryptocurrency that we have active is what? USDT. So you can actually click on that particular link now to see other options. You can select from which other options that you want to lend depending on the crypto asset that you have. But because we don't have any particular crypto asset on the other options, we just leave it as it is. So you just click on hide balance and you leave what is there by default. So you have LSS or and USDT. So select USDT. So you have lend USDT. So the amount of USDT that you want to lend, you can click all, or you can just select the quantity that you want to lend. So supposing I want to lend the minimum, which is 100 USDT. So I can decide to select the rate. All right. So the rate is the percentage that you want to charge for the crypto that you want to lend. All right. So you can charge between 0.01 to 1%. So 1% is the highest. You cannot charge more than 1%. This is just for educational purposes. This is not financial advice. So I don't want the trade to be triggered. So I just hit the highest, which is 1%. Definitely nobody want to get my money for 1% per day. So I guess it will never get triggered. So a period is for what? 10 days. So after you've entered all the parameters, you have period of the day. So you have 10 days is selected by default. That is the minimum that you can go or higher. So you can decide to go with the market price. If you go with the market price of the lending, then this will be grayed out. You can't select this anymore. If you click on auto renew, so after the 10 days, your lending rate will be renewed. It's actually very, very easy to make passive income. Supposing you have $10,000, suppose you have $100,000, getting a daily return, at least a percentage daily return on that particular fund that you have, is actually a way to make money on gate.io without trading. Is that not super awesome? So I'm going to click on this auto renew. I'm going to deactivate this market price and I'm going to enter my own percentage I want to earn. Then I click on what? Okay. So I have to quickly enter fund password. So after entering fund password, I hit on what? Okay. And the trade will be what? Triggered. Remember my available USDT before now was 328. So it is now 228. Now I go down. When I go down, you see my offer. So my offer is to lend out 100 USDT at the rate of 1% per day for a period of 10 days. So if someone eventually pick this, so after 10 days, I'll be getting 110 USDT. Does that make sense? Because 1% for $100 is $1. All right. So, but this rate is actually very high. That's why it will not be picked. That I was actually conscious when I took this rate because I know that it's very high. Nobody will pick it. Because we're making this video, that is why I want to explain to you. I can click on auto renew so that it renews automatically after 10 days. So I can click on this arrow here now to see more details about this particular order. You will see in progress and you see the other details. So I can click back. So if you click on these three dots here, you should be able to see cancel orders. So I can decide to cancel this order or I can decide to leave it. Once you click the order tab, you can see collecting, you can see close. Under collecting, you should be able to see the lending that is actually active at the moment. So the money that you are lending that is actually active and the percentage interest that you gotten for that particular time that it is open. So close the ones that has run and it's already over. You can go ahead to cancel this particular lending setup and it cancels, just like you cancel your trade. Hope you got value in this video. Gate.io is always bringing innovative ways for its users to benefit from the crypto space, and one of such is the margin lending option. Support this channel by smashing the subscribe button right away. Trade responsibly. Peace out.